How to remove a 1950s doorknob. If you have doorknobs like mine, which are different than anyone else on the internet,
find the hole on the side of the knob and twist the handle until you see the slot, until you see a slightly, on ours it's slightly darker than the rest of it. This one's perfectly lined up, but some of them you may need to twist to find it. And then you simply push in, you'll feel it give a little bit, and with it still pushed in, start pulling on the doorknob, and then eventually it'll pop out, and you'll release here. And then you'll do that on the other side. And then there's a little spring on the bottom.
this little thing right down there, it's a little wire clip.
And you will push that in, probably with a flathead screwdriver. And then you'll take another flathead screwdriver, something to wedge this base piece off with this spring still pushed in. And once you've done that, there are two screws that you unscrew, and then I think it just pops off.
And this is what it looks like without the handle. Here's a better look at this spring that you have to depress in order to get the plate off. Remove those screws.
Okay. And then once both screws are removed, just pull the entire mechanism out. And then with that pulled out, there's a tab here where you can pop off that panel.
There you have it. And then remove this plate and remove that.